Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Norma Acosta with momisdesigns, and today I like to show you how I made these champagne glass. This can be used like for quinceañeras, or it can be used even for a bride. So I want to put the link of a video that I did to teach you how to apply these and what is it that you need to apply the glitter. And today we're going to concentrate on doing this part. We're going to be using Swarovski crystals SS10, and we're going to be using this little tool. It's a crystal katana, and we're going to be using a glue of your preference. Today I'm going to use the E6000, and I recommend you to buy little ones, because when you get the big one, it dries up with every opening. And this one, I mean, you go through them different than the big one. And you guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and ring the little bell so that you get a email every time I download a video. Give me thumbs up if you are getting good information from these videos. And other than that, let's go ahead and get ready and let's start. So here are my Swarovski crystals, and I'm going to put the links of all the things that I use on the description box. And I'm going to use this glue, and I cut this little plastic piece where I can pour my glue as I need it. And I'm going to be using the tip of this brush. Okay, so we're not going to put them in any specific order. That's the idea of how to place them. So we're just going to go ahead and maybe do like 5 or 6 little tips at a time. So we're just going to put them randomly in different areas, not necessarily like line them up. So I'm going to do these 5 right now. And then see how this one, you just grab it, and there it is, and you just put it where you want it. So this is very simple. So see, this is how it looks. So we need to go all the way around, maybe about 1 inch, make them like one close to the other one. Okay, this is where we are so far. So at this point, I'm going to start like right in here. I'm going to start spreading them like little more, not as thick as this. So let's go ahead and do that. And we'll see you in a second. Okay, so at this point I'm just going around to see if it needs any extra ones that I didn't see before, but there it is. Okay, so now we're going to let it dry overnight. It's already dry, so what I'm going to do is you can use this, and then you can either use nail polish remover, or you can use alcohol, or they sell these special erasers that I don't think we need, but we're just gonna go around where the where you see the imperfections and erase any glue from it. So here it is. Look at how pretty it looks. Something like this, because it has Swarovski crystal, I will probably sell it for $14.95. Okay, if you have any other questions, you can let me know. I'm going to put my email address, and I'm going to put the links to my Facebook and my Instagram. Facebook is better for me, and you can ask me questions, and we can even do a FaceTime if you like. Okay, but for now, thank you so much for watching again. If you like the content of the video, please make sure you subscribe. Other than that, may the Lord bless you and your family today and every day, and stay safe until next time.